Hey everyone, welcome back to Dezola Designed, you guys. I hope everyone had a very Merry Christmas. If you celebrate that, I know we did. Spent time with family and just had fun and relaxing time. But now it's time to get back to work. I am going to pick a winner today for this fabulosity. This giveaway is 5 skeins of Herrschners Afghan yarn plus 10 skeins of the Willow Cub yarn. This yarn is super fantastic. First, I want to talk to you a little bit about one very special gift that I received from my daughter. I've been crying over this for quite some time. She made this. My daughter made this for me. It says Dezola. She put this together. She had some scraps from another project she made with the circles. She painted all the circles individually. She found a frame and the lettering and made this. And it is absolutely, I think, super fantastic. And I am just going to highlight it in my videos for maybe forever. I don't know. I think that this looks so cool. And this is like the best Christmas present I've ever received. So thank you to my daughter. She's so creative and so fabulous and wonderful. But I just love the way it looks. And it actually fits with this whole theme of the purples. So super, super fantastic, you guys. And I'm really, really grateful. I'm really grateful for all of you, but I'm really, really grateful for my daughter. She's awesome. Another couple projects that I have going on that I wanted to talk to you guys about. This is the Dezola Daisy Square. This is my granny square. I did create this. This is for the Hobie, oh God, what is this project? Bloom project. This is the Bloom campaign. I created this granny square for that campaign, and I am making a poncho with this. I plan on making, everything that you can make with granny squares, I plan on making with this. A lot of you in my previous video asked for leg warmers and cardigans, and I think that this would be super spectacular for both. Maybe not the leg warmers, I don't know, but maybe I can add a granny square or two in the leg warmers. I think that would be super fantastic. Anyway, this is a project that I'm working on. I'm more than halfway done. I have just been making granny squares. And yeah, it's really, really easy. It's a super easy pattern. I will have the tutorial out probably next month. And hopefully Hobie will pick this up and sell it as one of their patterns. If not, then I will definitely just make a crochet tutorial for it. So be on the lookout for that. I will have the granny square tutorial by itself, and then I'll have all the different things that I make with the granny squares, because you can make everything. The one thing that I'm hesitant to make, the cardigan, I have made a cardigan in the past. It was a cocoon cardigan, but with this cardigan, I'm not sure how to make buttonholes. So if someone can explain to me how to make buttonholes for cardigans, that would be awesome. I could just put a tie in or something, I don't know, but I think buttonholes would be awesome. Haven't made buttonholes at all, so if anyone knows how, please, please, please let me know. Also, this is another fabulous scarf I have. It is winter, you guys. This is my Sierra scarf. It's using the gathered spike stitch. If you can do a double crochet and a single crochet, you can make this scarf. This is a pattern that Hobie is selling through their website. I will have the link right up here if you guys would like to check it out. I will also link the crochet tutorial to this scarf at the end of this video. It's super, super pretty. I've actually been wearing this quite a bit, and this yarn, I'm using the Pearly Haze yarn. It is super warm and very, very soft. So I'm very excited about that. Let's get to this yarn giveaway. I just thought, I like to talk to you guys and babble and whatever, I hope you guys enjoyed. I know a lot of you do. Let's get to this yarn giveaway. So this yarn giveaway was 5 skeins of the Herrschners, what is this, 2-ply Afghan yarn. The color is called Blooms, and it is how many yards? 220 yards. So 5 skeins can make something super fantastic. It could definitely make some leg warmers. And the colors, I think, are absolutely gorgeous. If you guys are looking for cheap yarn right now, actually, I should do a separate video on this. Joanne is having a fabulous sale on Big Twist yarn right now. It's $2.50 a skein. So I just thought I'd throw that in. Anyway, this yarn is 100% acrylic, 220 yards, 2 weight, and you get 5 of them. So 5, actually, I'm sorry, it's not 5, it's 6. My brain is not working today. 6 skeins of the Herrschners yarn, which is super fabulous, plus 10 skeins of the Willow Cub yarn. This is super gorgeous, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. It is a 6mm hook, and this color is called Parchment. It is a kind of rosy pink color. 10 skeins of this, you guys. You can make a scarf. You can make a hat. Really, really pretty. Let me grab my iPad and we will pick a winner right now. Okay, everyone. So for those of you who don't know, this is what YouTube looks like on my end. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. I really appreciate all of you. This was the original video right here. So I'm going to go into this. And here's the link. I'm going to copy the link right here. And then I'm going to go to the YouTube random comment picker. And I'm going to paste the link right here. Beep. I'm going to filter out the duplicate users. And then I'm going to solve this 7, and then we're gonna get those YouTube comments, you guys. This is where I talk about my bracelets. There is still time to order bracelets for yourself. Maybe you have a birthday, anniversary, whatever coming up. It is still 50% off in my Etsy shop, you guys. And maybe you got some Christmas money, you want to buy bracelets. I will have my link right up above here to my Etsy shop. 50% off lasts to the end of the year. 348 comments, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you to all of my new subscribers, you guys. I really appreciate every single one of you. Let's pick a winner right now. The winner for this giveaway is Lidnell778. Yes. Oh, and in the original, I had COVID and it was horrible, but I got through it. The original video I asked if you dip your fries or if you just pour ketchup all over your fries. Lidnell is a dipper. Thank you so much, Lidnell. Congratulations. You are the winner of this giveaway. Please, 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 please email me your mailing address. My email will be down below in the description box. You guys, thank you so much again for watching my channel. I truly do, every single one of you for watching. In this coming year, you guys, there will be a lot more tutorials. There will be, of course, giveaways and just some fun on this channel. So thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a wonderful day and we'll talk to each other soon. Bye.